Hello, everybody. How are you all? I hope everything is going well and good at your place. I'm here to share one simple parenting tip with everybody. So, it is about providing acknowledgements over solution. So, what it is about? I will share some simple scenarios so we can easily understand it. So, whenever the child is doing some artwork and they have poured the color all over the paper and the art got destroyed and they started to cry as like, no, it got destroyed, no, I don't want this, I just want to throw away something. Lots of emotions will get burst out at that time. So as a parent, normally we tell them like, oh, that is fine, it is okay, we can take a new paper and we can draw it, and that is fine, no problem, it got destroyed, that is okay. But that is like a kind of solution. Actually, children doesn't need a solution all the time. They need acknowledgements for their feelings. So instead of providing some instant solution, we can start with giving them acknowledgements like, yeah, I can see that you have put lot of effort for this artwork and it got destroyed, and I can see it's very bad, I can understand it. So do you want me to give a hug, or you want to talk about it so you can feel better? So what do you want to do right now? And at that time they may just come up with their own own emotions, and they may cry, and they can even tell them, no ma, I did this and it got destroyed. Let them talk whatever they want. So after providing acknowledgements and after the child got once they get calmed down, they even come up with their own solution. They can even say, Emma, that's okay, I can do other one. So let them come up with their own solution. So instead of providing any instant solution, acknowledge their feeling. And we can easily relate this one with our regular life also, with other relationships, even with our friends, our family members, even with our spouse as well. So whenever our friend coming to us and they are just telling, no, I'm feeling so sad that my personal life is so boring, and my professional life is very hard, my manager is not, we don't have a relationship with my manager, colleagues and everything. Normally we used to provide a solution like, yeah, that is fine, don't worry about it, you can quit the job and you can try a new one, and that is okay, you have all the capabilities and you can do well. But that is like a kind of solution. So instead of providing that instant solution, we can acknowledge their feeling. Yeah, I can understand that is very hard, that you are going through a tough situation. So do you want to talk about it? So at that time they can even come up with their own problems, and they just burst out. So after that they even find a new solution for that. Even if they ask, we can definitely provide a solution instead of providing it in the starting itself. So it is always better to acknowledge everybody's feeling before providing any solution. So it is definitely a good thing. Even if we are in the situation that whenever if we are going to our husband, whenever if we are talking to with our spouse or our friend, like, I am feeling so bad that something is happening in my life, and if they start to give a solution, we feel like, no, please, I just want to talk, I just need somebody to talk, allow me to talk. So in that situation, if they allow us to talk, we feel so happy. We feel so relieved more than getting a solution. So always it is better to acknowledge everybody's feeling before providing any solution. That is what I want to share it today. And thank you so much for watching, and I will meet you all in the next video. Thank you so much.